So we're in Chicago. We're staying by the John Hancock building here. Let's see. It has 96 stairs, floors. The top of the tower, there's a restaurant you must eat if you want to see the side. You can see the skyline from the top. This is an awesome place here in Chicago. We have, I have Suyang, Chica, I have Jihun, I have Matthew.
Oh, let's start.
Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Just go picture. I've been here a couple times, but at night, so yeah. You're coming to Chicago? This is how it looks like. This is the name, John Hancock Dormitory. From 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily. Okay, thank you. Have a good time.